Okay, so I'm going to my Tsubasa Kisaragi voice line, so here's my Doris War, so I can do it. So I will do my February and October voice lines because my voice is deep. So I sounds like Wanda from Fairly Odd Parents and Marina Ida from Platoon 2 or 3. So here I go. Hello, I got two thoughts. I am Tsubasa Kisaragi. The Aikatsu guy. Nope, stop forcing us to touch grass. Oh, 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 oh. Robot puppy, how dare you say nonsense in front of us? That's it. You are banned from you are banned you are banned from the Aikatsu Stars World. Go to Teddy Bear Sing Along World right now. Yup, that's it. Yup, that's it. Now it's ready for voice of Zero Lights. See you later, guys.